guys, welcome to my video. I'm Day and today I'm gonna present about the solar system. So if you're interested in it, please continue watching this video. First of all, what is solar system? The solar system is the sun and all the objects that orbit around it. The sun is orbited by planets, asteroids, comets, and other things. The solar system is about 4.6 billion years old. Our solar system consists of a star named the Sun, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The smallest and closest to the Sun is Mercury, which has the shortest orbit in the solar system. Venus is the hottest planet with temperature of up to 867 degrees Fahrenheit due to an atmosphere of carbon dioxide and extensive lava flows. Next to the wall of fire is a wall of water. The water systems on the planet have created the only known environment in the universe capable of sustaining life. Mars might have also spotted life about 3.7 billion years ago, when the planet had a watery surface and moist atmosphere. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. It is called a gas giant. Its atmosphere is made up of mostly hydrogen gas and helium gas, like the Sun. Saturn, the solar system's second largest planet, is Saturn. Its signature rings are wide enough to fit between Earth and the Moon, but they are barely a kilometer thick. Past Saturn are the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Uranus is famous for rotating on its side. Next to Uranus is Neptune, the outermost planet, and it is also one of the coldest planets in the solar system. Asteroid belt. Orbiting the terrestrial planets in the asteroid belt, a flat disk of rocky objects, full of remainders from the solar system's formation. The microscopic dust particles to the largest known object, the dwarf planet series. The Oort clouds, a vast, spherical collection of icy white debris. It is considered the edge of the solar system, since that is where the gravitational and physical influences of the Sun at. Our solar system configuration of planets and other celestial objects all revolving around a life-giving star make it a special place to call home.